Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn how to save an answer set and create alerts. Once we have done our search, applied some filters, selected some results for further review, we may need to save our results. One way to save an answer set is clicking here, Save, and select Save an Alert. As we can see here, we have different options to save an answer set. Query only means the system will save the strategy you used to get the answer set, that is, how you started and filter applied. It will not save specific references. Selected answers will save the query and the results I selected in this example. All answers will save by default the query as well as all answers within the answer set up to 20,000. There is no need to select them manually. To save an answer set, we need to give a name. At this point, we might be interested in creating an alert. If this is the case, just activate the alert by clicking here. You can select the frequency, as well as add more recipients, that is, the email of the colleagues you want to share the results of this alert. Click Save to save this answer set and the alert. To retrieve an answer set, you can go to the menu and select Save. We can see here the three Save Answer Set options. As you can see, only in these two cases, we can retrieve the selected or the entire answer set results, up to 20,000. It is worth to mention we can delete an alert from a specific answer set. To do that, just deactivate the alert by clicking here and save. We can also activate an alert from a specific answer set by clicking the bell and activating the alert. Select the frequency, add more recipients if needed, and click Save. Thanks for watching this video.